I give up or keep on going? Whenever something's tricky, my mind starts growing. Each time I fail, I discover something new. So I better keep on trying, 'cause I'm learning when I do. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it. Yeah. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it. Yeah. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon, sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray, I can do it. Ooh. Should I give up or change my mindset? The more that I practice, the better I get. The choice is yours, no one can do it but you. So you'd better just get started shouting, I will see you through. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it. Yeah. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it. Yeah. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon, sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray, I can do it. I can do it.
Get ready for the assembly. Ravenbank School. Working together. Thank you. Today's assembly is all about perseverance. I recently watched a movie called Rudy. Rudy is a young man who wants to be a football player, and he wants to go to the University of Notre Dame. However, he was faced with several challenges. He was an average football player, and he was not a student at Notre Dame, and the school only allowed the top players in the nation to spot on their team. The movie shows how he slowly overcomes each obstacle and keeps fighting until he gets to play in one of Notre Dame's home football games. Recently, I have listened to the podcast Entrepreneur on Fire. Each day the host interviews successful entrepreneurs and asks the same question to each of his 1,000 guests. What has been your worst entrepreneur moment? Every one of his guests shares a time in their life in which they wanted to quit on their dream, but didn't. Every worthwhile goal will take some degree of perseverance. Like many of you, Jack, seen here, dreamed about playing football in high school. The school he would attend had a very competitive team, and playing time would be hard to come by. Each morning he would get up before school and work on his ball skills. He attended camps, played year-round, and kept thinking of playing in school. In Year 7 he made the team, but never played. The same thing happened in Year 8. It looked like he wouldn't get any playing time, but then at the end of Year 8 he got a game. Sadly, during the game he injured himself and suffered a compound fracture to his arm. A year later he still had hardly any playing time. He was discouraged and had a long talk with his parents about quitting football. The next day he packed his football bag and returned to practice. The only difference was that he couldn't do anything but watch. For the rest of the season he attended every practice and game and just stood and watched. He persevered through the season, and the next year he finally got playing time, and he and his team made it to the semi-finals of the County League. At the end of the season, he was so glad that he didn't quit and said it was the highlight of his high school career. Like the song said right at the beginning of the assembly, You might not be able to do it yet, but keep trying and you'll get there. Keep persevering.
Let's get to it, maybe we can do it yet, yeah. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it yet, yeah. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon, sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray, I can do it. Ooh. Should I give up or keep on going? Whenever something's tricky, my mind starts growing. Each time I fail, I discover something new. So I better keep on trying, 'cause I'm learning when I do. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it, yeah. Let's get to it, maybe we can do it, yeah. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon, sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray, I can do it. Ooh. Should I give up or change my mindset? The more that I practice, the better I get. The choice is yours, no one can do it but you. So you'd better just get started shouting out.